Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new craft workshop project to share with you. This is delivered through Facebook Live, and if you're new to our Facebook Live classes, they're a really good way of crafting from home, crafting with a community. We've got a fab community of crafters, and using papers that you've got in your stash plus some basic supplies, so chipboard, card, acetate and our signature black construction tape. There's an easy to follow cutting guide that comes with the project that can be adapted to any papers. So the sample that I've made has been decorated with the Sir Vagabond Aviator collection, but the project can be decorated really easily with papers of your own choice so that you can personalise it. So if you fancy joining the class, then do follow the link below in the description, and that will take you to the website where you'll find more information and more pictures. So this is the Ianthe Tri-fold Folio, and it measures 10¼ inches deep, 8¼ inches wide by just over 2¼ inches deep here, and it ties with a bow. That's great because it allows it to be sort of really filled and still close. And as you can see, it's folded. So let's undo it and have a look. So I've got little doodads on the end of my ribbons. Do check out my doodads video. They are great for finishing off ribbon ends and just giving the ribbon a bit of weight so that those ends don't stick up all over the place. And it opens up, we have got some pictures in here. It opens up into a lovely folio with 3 sections designed for your photos. You can store over 50 pictures on the waterfalls in here. So let's have a look at each of the sections. You can stick pictures straight onto the surfaces, you can create montages, and there's lots and lots of areas to do that in each section. I've closed them using paper clips because as you fill them up, if you use magnets, the placing of the magnet changes as the sections fill up and pad out. So paper clips are a great way to keep your sections closed. And this one has 2 fold out sections or leaves. We've got acetate pockets on the inside here, and then a lovely deep tuck spot behind the waterfall, and an 8-leaf waterfall for 16 landscape style pictures. So I've decorated mine with paper, but you could put your photos straight onto those surfaces, saving 2½ sheets of paper when you come to decorate it. So that's section number 1. Section number 2, we have got a really nice, let's grab a picture, little pocket here that you can pop things under, also a nice surface to stick things on. We've got matching or coordinating tabs, and again the 2 paper clips holding the section closed, and it opens out to reveal 2 pockets on the inside covers and a fold out section that could have a picture on the centre, and that's just sort of weight is keeping that closed. That lifts up, let's move it down so it's within shot. There's a little tuck spot on the back of that picture and a fold out section for pictures at the top. That's held together with a magnet, and then we have got a really lovely waterfall section in the centre with a large pocket behind it for a large photo or something else that you'd like to keep. And the waterfall is portrait style, so there are 6 leaves to that one. So lots of room for your portrait style pictures. And then at the bottom there is another fold out section. So it just folds out and down. Again held closed with a magnet. And that all folds up and closes with the paper clips. And then section number 3, let's take those off, again has really nice surfaces to put your pictures on the side folding flaps, acetate pockets on the inside. I love those. A really deep pocket behind the waterfall, and 8 double-sided leaves, landscape leaves, in the waterfall for you to add your pictures on as well. And then at the side of this one there is a deep pocket too. So that is the Ianthe Tri-fold Folio. If you'd love to join the class, then do follow the link below. You can join the class and craft live with me as I take you through how to assemble all of your pieces and create this fabulous project. Or you can follow along after the event. Once you've got access to the group, then you can make the project at your leisure. I hope I've inspired you to be creative, and thanks very much for watching. Happy crafting, and speak to you soon.